Hi, welcome to Rooted Hearts Homestead. My name's Kim, and this is our life. So today started out super rainy, and we always take that rainy time to really work hard in our house. So anything we can do inside, we do. Today I worked hard in the kitchen, deep cleaning. I just kind of take it room by room what I do. And normally if it rains that night, because we'll have trekked in and out with muddy boots, I will make sure that the floors are cleaned before the kids go to bed so I can sweep and mop them. But for right now, we are actually going to make our big chicken tractor work for the chickens. They've just gotten so big, they're not really working in the small one anymore. And so I'm taking a tarp and we're gonna kind of just make it work for the next week until we have a pretty weekend where we can put our actual big tarp over it. And so yeah, come watch how we're gonna do that. So when you follow some of the other homesteaders, they have one of them, and I don't remember who it was. It might be Justin Rhodes. He has a really low cart that he moves around, and it just allows the birds to duck underneath and have space. But I don't have feeders that have covers on them, so I'll have to problem solve that later. Right now I'm not really worried about it, and I can even just put their feed in a pan underneath the tarp till I figure out what I'm gonna do. So what I have to do now that we've got this tarp strung up here, next is going to be stringing the poultry netting all across the base here, and my helper Josie is going to do that with me. Alright, so we got all the blocking we need to make sure that hopefully nobody will escape and nobody will enter that we don't want them to. And now we're going to move the birds. Do this thing. Augie, you're not going to help. Sorry for the short video this week. Our camera stand broke, so yeah, can't do much about that at this point. I'm gonna glue it back together and hopefully we'll be able to shoot video next week. We were able to get the chickens all moved into the chicken pasture pen, and even though it's only a temporary setup, once the wind dies down and hopefully no rain happens, we will get the pen completely set up as it's supposed to be for them. But for now, we're gonna enjoy a really awesome family day, have a fun time hanging out together. My hope is next week we'll be able to get our chicken pen done and start working on the turkey pen. So we'll hope to take you along for those things. But until then, you guys have a great week.